Welcome to Punditas AI. Today, we'll guide you through the process of tagging video tutorials in the Punditas AI Insights Engine. Tagging helps you organize and retrieve valuable resources effortlessly, making your workflow smoother than ever. Tagging is a powerful feature in Punditas AI that allows you to categorize and label key resources like video tutorials, blogs, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the video tutorial detail page that you want to tag. Step 2. Click on the Tag This button. Step 3. Type your desired tag name into the input field. For example, Creo Tips or Simulation Basics. Step 4. Click on the Add Tag button or simply press Enter. And just like that, your tag is added successfully. Every time you add a tag, you earn 10 reward points in the Insights engine. A little bonus for your efforts. Now, let's go over a few important limitations to keep in mind while creating tags. With tags in place, you can easily filter and retrieve your video tutorials when you need them. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your insights organized. That's it. You're now ready to tag your video tutorials in Punditas AI's Insights engine. Start tagging and take control of your knowledge management journey today. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.